What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we're gonna do something different. We are gonna do a hot top fade with box braids, man. And hey, I haven't done a haircut tutorial in a long time, so I was like, hey, why not today? This is the perfect time to do it, and with a new hairstyle, why not? You know what I mean? As y'all can see, it's nice and faded right now, and I want to show you guys exactly how I did it. So hey, you already know what to do. Stay tuned and stay locked.
Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Yo. Yo.
Well folks, that is it for the video. I hope you guys love the haircut tutorial. I will continue to drop these bangers. If y'all want more haircut tutorials, I got you. Whenever I start my locks back, I got you, you know what I mean? In now, you know what I'm saying? Anybody with long hair, whether it's locks, braids, and you got the high top, or if you even got like, you know, a little fade on the side, not necessarily a high top like mine, but you got a little fade, I got you, you know what I mean? Haircut tutorials will come for you. All you gotta do is hit that like button and let me know that you want more of these videos, and I got you. Let me show you guys another 360 of the fresh haircut so y'all can see it for yourselves. Here it goes, all the way around, you know, boom. I'll get you on this side, I'll get you on this side, hold on, I got you. Boom, you know, nice, faded, easy, you know what I mean? All you gotta do is just follow the steps and you'll be just like this. If you have any questions about how to cut your hair and you got hair like mine or around mine, hey, I got you. Just drop the comments down in the comment section and I got you. But anyways, I thank you guys for supporting your boy. The channel is growing. Slowly but surely we are getting there. And I know with you guys we'll be able to get there in no time. But anyways, hit that like button, subscribe to Locked In With Trey, and you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.